In this video, I am going to teach you how to set up Binance Pool directly from the Binance app. Whether you're a beginner or already mining, this setup will help you get started quickly. Make sure your Binance app is updated so you don't miss any features. Let's get started. First, in the home section, click on More. This will expand the full list of Binance services. Then, in the search bar, type in Pool. This makes it easier to locate the mining section. Next, choose Pool from the list of results. It'll take you to the mining platform setup page. After that, in the option menu, tap Account Overview. This shows your pool account information. Then click the man icon on the top right corner. This is where you can create a new mining account. Now fill up the required details such as account name and other necessary information. Make sure the name is unique and easy to remember. Once you've completed all the fields, click Create. Your Binance Pool account will now be ready for mining. And that's how you set up Binance Pool using the Binance app. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tech tutorials. See you next time!